Hello, my name is Rinisha Naidu and my professor's name is Liz Kionka. Our research is a functional assessment of social media use. We are investigating the reasons as to why people use social media. The support for this project was provided by a 2021 to 2022 faculty support grant from the CSU East Bay Division of Academic Affairs, a collaborative research award from the College of Science, and student support from the Center of Student Research. I would also like to thank the other members of the QAB lab who have been involved in this research, who are Zeke, Salma, Andrea, and Elijah. The stages of development for the social media use consequences questionnaire, or the SMCQP, is reading through peer-reviewed scholarly articles. Our research group met up, read, and discussed about articles that included research based on addiction, gambling, internet addiction, and use of social media. We generated articles based on gambling functional assessment, article by Dixon and Johnson. The research team evaluated the clarity of questions and identified 30 items that would fit into positive and negative reinforcement categories. There are 3 positive reinforcement, social positive, sensory reinforcement, tangible, and 3 negative reinforcement, social negative, escape from demand, private event, making it a total of 6 behavioral functions we are measuring. The project achievement so far is development of our questionnaire. Using SciToolKit, we developed SMCQP, 30 items, and the attention checks. We posted it on Prolific. The analysis of our pilot data. We got our participant demographics and the subscale measures. The abstract previously was submitted to ABI, is now accepted for presentation and at the annual meeting in Boston. We recruited 33 participants. They were psychology students and their average age were 20-year-olds. Mostly were female. The students reported using social media for an average of 15 hours per week. 84% reported that they wanted to change the way that they use social media. Scores on the social media disorder scale, which measures social media dependence, were correlated with total scores on the SMCQP. Correlation coefficient is 0.41 and the p-value is 0.02. To test whether there were any differences in the value of reinforcement obtained from different behavioral functions, we calculated scores for each of the 6 behavioral functions we measured and compared them using a repeated measures analysis of variance. The ANOVA was statistically significant, meaning some functions were more reinforcing than others. This graph shows the mean score from 0 to 30 for each behavioral function. Pink circles are mean scores for positive reinforcement functions and dark circles are mean scores for negative reinforcement functions. Error bars show 95% confidence interval. Post hoc tests showed that conditioned tangible positive reinforcement scores and social negative reinforcement scores were significantly lower than the other scores, meaning participants don't use social media to escape or avoid unpleasant social interactions or to earn money, but they do use it for lots of other reasons, because it gives them a buzz and they like the content, to escape or avoid their own thoughts and feelings, for attention, community, and companionship, and for a break from other demands of their time, including work, school, and chores. I am an avid user of social media myself, and reasons as to why this research is important is to identify the behavioral consequences that motivates people to use social media. We conducted our pilot research on a small scale and plan to conduct an experiment with larger sample to provide insights that are useful to understand and distinguish between healthy use of social media and problematic use of social media. Thank you for your time to watch this video.